Welcome, my name is a STANLEY S241 and today I will show you how to set up the Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started you want to open up settings and from here scroll down to sound and notifications, and at the bottom you will see interruptions, so just tap on it, and here we'll start off with the priority interruptions. So this is what will bypass the Do Not Disturb mode or the interruptions. So if you select it, you will see another option pop up, and you can select calls and messages as well. And from here you can choose who will be able to interrupt you. So you have anybody, so that would kind of defeat the purpose. Shared contacts, which are favorite, and contacts only, which are just the contacts that you have saved on your phone. So for instance, I'm gonna select this one, which is the shared favorite contacts, and now only those contacts will be able to reach me in this mode. And from here you also have the downtime, which is basically just a way of setting it up automatically so it turns on and off on its own. And you basically can set a date that you want to start, either one or multiple. I'm just gonna choose one. So just choose Saturday and then time that it starts. So start time, for instance, we can set it at, let's just put it somewhere at, let's go to AM actually. Whatever, it can be at 10 AM, and then end time, for instance, 7 hours later, so that would be 5 but PM, and if I could actually do it correctly, there we go, just put it like this, and now 7 hours later it will turn off on its own. And then you have the priority allowance, and you have the two options, none or priority only. And priority only will take in consideration whatever we have set right here. But you can always choose none, and then it will disregard whatever we have set right here and just block everything. So we can just tap right this, and now it will turn on its own every Saturday at 10 till 5 PM. And that is how you would set it up. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.